Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.
Good evening, guys. We are presenting you the hydraulics mini project. The topic is interlinking of river in India. In this, it is given by Jay Thakkar, Ritesh Take, Aditya Vairat, Yash Pathawat and Avishka Debe. Now we will see the information of interlinking river of India. River linking is a project of linking two or more rivers by creating a network of manually created canals and providing water to the land areas that does not have water access and reducing the flow of water to sea using these means. It is based on the assumptions that surplus water in some rivers can be diverted to deficit rivers by creating a network of canals to interconnect the rivers. There are many benefits of interlinking. We will see one by one. Irrigation, flood prevention, generation of electricity, navigation, higher GDP growth, business opportunities, drinking water, revenue. Now we will see the National River Linking Project in India, NRLP. The National River Linking Project NRLP is designed to ease water shortages in western and southern in India while mitigating the impacts of recurrent floods in the eastern parts of the Ganga Basin. The NRLP, if and when implemented, will be one of the biggest interbasin water transfer projects in the world. There are some goals and purpose of NRLP. We will see it one by one. The goal is support South Asia's quest for food, livelihoods and water security. Second one is capitalize on the uncommon opportunity created by the NRLP. The purpose is promote a balanced, analytical and informed national discourse on the India's water future to 2050, approaches to shaping it including through the river linking project. Now we will see the history of interlinking. It was started in 1972, Ganga Kaveri link proposed by Dr. K. L. Rao. In 1974, Garland Canal proposed by Captain Dastur. In 1980, Ministry of Water Resources frames the National Perspective Plan (NPP). In 1982, the National Water Development Agency (NWDA) set to carry out pre-feasibility studies. In 1999, the National Commission for Integrated Water Resources Development Plan set up review NWDA. August 15, 2002, President Abdul Kalam mentions the need for river linking in his Independence Day speech. October 2002, Supreme Court recommends that the government formulate a plan to link the major Indian rivers by the year 2012. December 2002, government appointed a task force on interlinking of 37 rivers led by Suresh Prabhu. The deadline was revised to 2016. Now we will see the issues caused by interlinking. Ecological issues, aqua life, deforestation, areas getting submerged, displacement of people, alternatives to India river linking, rainwater harvesting and conservation of water resources, recharging groundwater reservoir, large-scale utilization of groundwater in deltas, community participation. Conclusion. Considering the pragmatic view of all the issues raised, it can be concluded that the implementation of this ambitious scheme is not possible in foreseeable future. Hence, it can be a better option to concentrate on the local reservoirs and think upon the alternatives available. Thank you.
Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.